Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper with Casper Crypto, and in today's video we're going to be talking about some big Dogecoin news that just came out right about an hour ago. It's going to blow your guys' mind, and before we get into the video, I'd really appreciate you guys to smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I'd really appreciate it a ton. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So current update on the market, Dogecoin is sitting at around 37 cents, a little bit below that, and it's just been slowly declining since that peak of when Coinbase announced that it was going to release Dogecoin on its platform. I already explained in other videos, if you want to go back to my other videos, why this happened and what's probably going to continue happening, because I already mentioned it before. But just a quick recap, before the news come out, buy the rumor, sell the fact. Before it happened, people bought it up and the people sold on the fact, and that oftentimes happens in crypto and stocks in every basically market. And now what I think is going to happen is it's going to stay in around this consolidation phase between around 35 cents and 37 cents for a while before Bitcoin or Dogecoin breaks out in a certain direction, giving it a good idea in which area it wants to go to. So that's what's going on with Dogecoin. But what are the big news? Well, the big news are that Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, claims that he loves Dogecoin, which is another massive supporter, because Vitalik Buterin is like one of the biggest guys, well, actually the biggest known person in crypto, because, I mean, Satoshi Nakamoto, if you want to count him, I guess he could be the second, but Satoshi Nakamoto is still unknown. However, Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, which is the second biggest crypto by market cap, is known, like the founder is known, and that's Vitalik Buterin. And he said right here, you can see the Ethereum co-creator Vitalik Buterin says he loves Dogecoin and has suggested collaboration between the meme cryptocurrency and Ethereum. So he wants Dogecoin to work with Ethereum, which is absolutely bonkers, which could send both of them to the moon. I don't know to the exact amount that I could give you guys an estimate, like if it's going to bring it to $1 or 50 cents. I don't know. But this is good news, and we like good news. So what happened is when Vitalik Buterin was speaking in the Lex Fridman podcast, he said that he definitely does not fear Dogecoin. And in fact, he loves the cryptocurrency, and he even holds some coins, which is more support because he's actually holding Dogecoin. So not only Elon Musk is supporting Dogecoin, not only Mark Cuban, but also the man, the myth, the legend, Vitalik Buterin is supporting Dogecoin. And what does this mean? Well, this means that there's definitely a future for Dogecoin. It's no longer just a meme coin. It's gone far beyond that, and I think it's here to stay since there's so much media support, so many influencers who seem like they're going to be supporting this project for the long term. And even since Vitalik Buterin said that he wants to have a collaboration between Dogecoin and Ethereum, I think that this crypto is definitely here to stay. And we're not going to see Dogecoin crashing down to like number 50 on the top cryptos list. So I think that this is great news. And Vitalik also said that he added that Ethereum accepts Dogecoin every year for its annual DEF CON conferences. So he even accepts Doge. These are just some phenomenal news I wanted to share with you guys in today's video. And if you guys enjoyed it, I'd really appreciate you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.